Okay, 1st of November 2018. There's a plane here. Let me just try and grab this. Going behind this palm tree. Let me zoom in. Where's it gone? There's a plane a minute ago. See it there? Plane. That is a plane leaving no chemtrails, right? Because people, and by the way, if you say chemtrail now on YouTube, you are squashed. We have to call it geoengineering, because that's what it is anyway. And then them tags are not really, they're not really censored the way that the chemtrail ones are. But anyway, the reason I pointed that plane out a minute ago is these trails are not produced by planes. I know it's a stretch for the people who can't get their head around this not being normal, so you know, you just have to bear with me. These are done by spheres or orbs, and sometimes they're in an actual hologram of a plane. But that is one of the reasons why you say, well, pilots wouldn't do this. Now, for a start, there are some planes that do spray, but the information is so compartmentalized that the pilots do not know. But the majority of the time, these are UFOs that are spraying this, because if you understand what's going on, you realise that they are non-human entities that are running this planet. They're actually hybrid DNA, they're half human, half alien. Now, I get it, it's a stretch for a lot of people who are just so caught up in what they've been taught at school and they believe that's gospel. And that's fine, I've been battling with them people all my life really, but for the last 5 years, once I really understood what was going on, I tried to bring this information to the masses, and the majority of the time they're just not interested, because that means re-evaluating their whole life. It means questioning everything that they've been taught, and a lot of people just are not prepared to do that. But I have to ask you this, if you have kids, don't you owe it to them to do some research to realise that this planet is being ruined? But it's been ruined not by us. They'd have you believe this is, you know, climate change is man-made, etc., etc. They are doing it themselves in order to bring about mass culling. They want to depopulate the earth by over half, put it that way. So if there's 7 billion of us, I mean, that's a lot of people, yeah? I mean, you have to ask yourself, what is it with all the cancer, with all the Alzheimer's, with all the strokes, with all the obesity, with all the allergies, etc., etc.? I mean, this just isn't, you know, random. This is all by design, and this is part of it here. This is Agenda 21. At least just go and Google Agenda 21. This is genocide, folks. This is terraforming the planet for what's to arrive shortly. So again, if you do have kids and you do nothing about it, then hopefully your grandchildren will forgive you.